Hi, I'm Jim Sterne, and I'm going to be presenting Dashboarder to Trusted Advisor workshop at the Marketing Analytics Summit. The two worst things about digital analytics are being a report squirrel on the hamster wheel and answering an infinite number of ad hoc questions. This is TaskRabbit work. It's not strategic. It's not cumulative. You can answer questions for stakeholders all day long and have no impact whatsoever. You can crank out 1 million dashboards for the rest of your life that nobody looks at and that have no impact whatsoever. The goal is to be a trusted advisor. The goal is to be a member of the team. Analysts are usually seen as a cost center, support. The pilot gets all the adoration and nobody applauds air traffic controllers. They're crucial. Without them, you cannot get off the ground. First responders, they're heroes. Nobody thinks about the dispatchers. Digital analysts are there to offer suggestions and advice. We are there to speak for the data, but we don't make decisions. We never get credit for the decisions that are made. This workshop is about changing. This is about what you can do. And I mean you personally, not in general, but you personally can do to improve your status at your company. How can you become a valued team member that people turn to in advance instead of after the fact? We'll spend half a day working on the people side of people, process, and technology. And at the end, you'll have a game plan for improving your status. I have a handful of slides, but this is going to be a conversation about you and what you can do to increase your value and make your job more rewarding. Join me for the Dashboarder to Trusted Advisor workshop.